Alright, you were asked to graph y equals -3 cosine 3/4 x. Tell me about step 0. Juan?
Step 0 is to identify the A, B, C, and D.
Tell me what to write above.
Y equals A cosine B of x.
What's our A value?
-3.
B value?
3/4.
Good job, Juan. Brian, what should we do next? What's your equation for the period?
2 pi over b.
Yep. So now I have a b value of 3/4. So I have 2 pi over 3/4. And now I'm just going to turn this sideways. 2 pi divided by 3/4. Class, what happens there? Put over 1, and you flip it, and that one turns into multiplication. 2 pi times 4/3. Multiply across, you get what? Raise your hand if you got 8 pi over 3. Okay, here is Friday's lesson. Let's see. Think about it. Don't say anything, okay? And then I'm going to ask for your thumbs. Do you need to put this between 0 and 2 pi? Show me your thumbs. You don't need to put this between 0 and 2 pi because there is no shifts. There is no C value. There is no parentheses. Okay? This tells me where to start, and this tells me where to end. Question?
So this parentheses, you have to put it between 0 and 2 pi?
Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, what am I going to put here?
0.
I don't know if this will help. 0 pi over 3. Right, 0 times anything is 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. 8 pi over 3 you're going to put over here. Class, 0 plus 8.
8.
And 8 divided by 2?
4.
0 plus 4?
4.
4 divided by 2? 2 pi over 3. 4 plus 8?
12.
12 divided by 2 is? 6 pi over 3. Now I'm going to keep that there. But we also know when you simplify that, that becomes what? 2 pi. Raise your hand if you got those x values. Alright, so these are my 5 x values. 0 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, 6 pi over 3, and 8 pi over 3. Partner A, tell partner B, what do we need to do next? Ronaldo, what do we need to do next? Yeah. If you guys need to write the words, not wrong, multiply by 3 over 4. Because we're taking our x values and we're multiplying here. We're going from right to left. PEMDAS, right? Multiplication, evaluating, and then still multiplying. So here I have multiply by 3/4. Class, 3/4 times this? 0. 3 times 2?
6.
4 times 3? And 6 divided by 12? 1/2, or pi over 2. 3 times 4? 4 times 3? 12 divided by 12 is pi. Smells like the golden row, right? 3 times 6? 4 times 3? 18 divided by 12 reduces to 3 pi over 2. And 3 times 8? And 4 times 3? And 24 divided by 12 is 2 pi. Class, what do we need to do next? Okay, now this is not multiplying, this is evaluating at cosine. Evaluate cosine. And this is just your unit circle, the quadrantal angles. Class, cosine is 0? 0 or 1? Pi over 2?
0.
And then the last thing we need to do is what?
Graph.
Graph it? Multiply by negative 3. Multiply by negative 3. Times, okay. Yeah. Some students here, even writing the words is super helpful because I've seen students here, they'll actually subtract. And this is actually today's lesson. So pay attention to the math operation. You are multiplying. Go ahead and multiply these by negative 3.
Negative 3. 0. R3. 0. Negative 3.
Alright, let's go ahead and graph this now. Doesn't matter what you're picking on here. That's 3, negative 3. Then I have at 0, negative 3. 2 pi over 3, 0. 4 pi over 3, 3. 6 pi over 3, 0. And 8 pi over 3, negative 3. Smooth curves, not a V. Class, what happened to the graph?
Reflected across the x-axis.
It reflected over the x-axis. A is negative. What else? It didn't move 3 units down. What happened? I had a vertical stretch of 3. And what happened here?
That's a negative 3.
Here? So we multiplied by negative 3 on all those values. So the negative value flipped it over the x-axis. And the last one is they call this a horizontal compression. Right? It used to be at 2 pi, but it's actually being compressed. Okay?